Your body needs food for 3 reasons: for energy, for growth and repair, to stay healthy. Carbohydrates. These are needed for energy. Foods rich in carbohydrates are potatoes, rice, pasta and jam. These are needed for growth and repair. Foods rich in protein are meat, fish and eggs. Fats. These are needed for insulation and as a store of energy. Foods rich in fat include butter, red meat and fried food. Vitamin C, needed for healthy gums and tissue repair. Foods include oranges and lemons. If you do not eat enough vitamin C, you will suffer from the disease scurvy. Vitamin D, needed for strong bones and teeth. Foods include milk and butter. It is also made by the body in sunlight. If deficient in your diet, you could suffer from rickets. Vitamin A, needed for good eyesight and healthy skin. Foods include carrots, milk, butter and liver. If deficient in your diet, you could suffer from sore eyes, poor night vision or unhealthy skin. Vitamin B, needed for healthy nerves and growth. Foods include yeast, cereals and beans. If deficient in your diet, you may suffer from a disease called beriberi. Iron, needed for healthy red blood cells, found in liver, meat and green vegetables. Anemia results if deficient in your diet. Calcium, needed for strong bones and teeth, found in milk, cheese and green vegetables. You can suffer from soft bones if you don't eat enough. Iodine, needed for functioning of the thyroid gland, found in fish. If deficient, you could suffer from goiter, an enlarged thyroid. Fibre, adds bulk to food and absorbs poisonous waste from digesting foods. Also prevents constipation. Foods rich in fibre include cereals, wholemeal bread, fruit and vegetables. Water is needed for our cells. All chemical reactions take place in water. Our blood, it transports substances dissolved in water, found in all foods except dried. Water makes up about 2/3 of your body weight.